Let's start making a new hairstyle. This one is for schoolgirls, it's beautiful and appropriate. First, we divide the hair into two parts. Divide the hair in the middle and from the middle to the back. Then the style comes out as an L style that it looks really beautiful. Next, we split the hair into two sections and tie them together at the back like this, and tie them on both sides equally. Don't make them too high or too low. Short hair can also be done. Use a hair tie to make the hair short and make it look good. Next, we tie the front hair like this. Because this style is done by pulling the hair from the front to the back like a heart. We grab the hair from the side of the face and we do this, like a heart shape. We grab one side at a time, I think you get the idea. We do this from top to bottom, like in the video. When we tie the hair to the earlobe. At this point, we start tying the hair to the back. This style looks complicated and difficult. But I'll try to make it easy for everyone to understand. For those of you who don't know how to tie your hair or style your hair, please subscribe to see how to style your hair and new styles. Now we want to style your hair again like in the video. Please try to watch each one in detail. If you don't understand, you can comment in the video, I will make another video for you. When we tie the hair to the ends of the hair, we start twisting it in circles, like in the video. We take the hairpins and attach them to the hair, and we do this so that they are strong and do not fall out. We put 3 or 4, but not too many. Now we have done one step. It looks really beautiful and lovely. Let's start with the other side. So it's not different, we do it the same way as before. I think this video is very helpful to everyone. So please take time to watch this tip until end. Thank all of you that always like my video and support what I have done.